solidarity forever.
Akiaria na andiki a mohoro mukawa-ini umwe guku Nairobi thutha wa gucemania na kamiti nene ya kiama giiki, Wasonga augite ndeto iria ikoretwo ikimemerekio ciigie kurekererio kwa muigana wa ciringi birioni 5.2 ni cia muhu wa muguti riboti yothe mamukirite igi kigina giiki
5.2 billion. I want to be frank with you. We are just hearing that from the media. As a union, we have not received any communication from anybody whatsoever.
Oho Wasonga ni ugite Miario iria irega kurekererio ni Minister wa Githomo Fred Matiang'i igi kwandika aruti a wira university-ini cia muingi na kandarathi ni ya kumahinyiriria na gutiri hindi megwitikiranira nake.
Assistant lecturers are employed on permanent and perishable terms, and you cannot change their contracts to temporary. It will not happen. As a union, we will institute legal proceedings against those people. So I want to tell our members wherever they are, stay tuned. Nobody will transfer you from permanent to contract when UASU is still in existence.
Akihutia cigi mugomo uria metirie ciumia 5 hituku, Wasonga augite mugomo no guthie na mbere nginya thirikari itie agreement iria mekiraniire kirore igi micarayo ya mwaka wa 2013 na mwaka wa 2017.
And this time, don't think we'll call off this strike before our members get their money.
Mwena-ini wake munini wa muikariri giti wa kiama giki Joseph Mutura Mberia ni akomithetie maabitha a borithi aria makoretwo makihithukira university cia muingi hindi iria kwagia na mirurungano na kumatungia bara iria icungagiria ingi yao kugurara uru.
So we shall not allow that kind of acts that happened in Nairobi University. Now in the data we have not seen, but it is not only in public university. We are seeing that the police stay in their police stations and wait for people to register crimes. If I'm assaulted, I go to the police. The students have not gone to call the police to come to.
Oho Mutura ni ugite gutire ngayukano kiama-ini giki ta uria gukoretwo gukionekana na atongoria othe mararie na mugambo umwe. Mwihoko wa arutwo kuma university-ini cia muingi gukorwo magicokereria mathomo-ini mao ni uroneka guthii na mbere okunderete amu kiama kia aruti a wira university-ini cia muingi ni mehitite guthii na mbere na mugomo wao angikorwo thirikari ndigukorwo igicemania na mendekithia mao. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV ni Geto Wanjiru wa Njuguna.